companies from the local community that made this a reality. I'll invite Mr. Hubert, the former principal, shortly to go over the history of how the steel beam ended up in front of Ormsby. But I would first like to recognize General Welding, Mark Andel, the owner of General Welding and the Made of America store, and Dale Fleming, the general manager of General Welding, who volunteered to weld the lower beam to the artifact, the steel beam from the World Trade Centers. I would also like to recognize Richard Corrales, the owner of Corrales Landscaping, who donated his time and effort to come out here on a Saturday and make sure that the memorial site was ready for today. I would also like to recognize Masterson's Garden Center, who donated many of the shrubs for the memorial site. I would also like to recognize Dr. David O'Rourke, who with his support as the district superintendent allowed this to come to fruition and possible.